get to the peak. Oh.
I think the coal-fired engine is outdated. How about we conduct a modernization, huh?
A modernization?
A modernization. When something is old and worn out, it gets replaced with something new and not so worn out.
You want to replace Grandpa Billy with some Sparky? Oh, God.
I suggest replacing Grandpa Billy's coal-firing furnace with an electric razor. What do you think, huh?
I don't see your motor moving anywhere.
It'll move for sure. Go and get me a flatbed trailer.
Huh. Oh! Ow! Ugh. Ow! Well, I see that this motor has moved you off the rails.
So what? But I fixed it. That is in theory.
And what about in practice?
In practice, it gave me an electric shock as well. Okay, drawing the last nut up tight, and it's done.
Aha!
Congratulations, Grandpa Billy. Modernization is now a success. And now, you can go for your first test run. Hey, Grandpa Billy, welcome to the modern high-speed world.
Doesn't have any brakes. There are no brakes. It doesn't have any brakes. Hey, I can't stop.
Why can't Grandpa Billy put on the brakes?
Unfortunately, in theory, Grandpa brake system isn't adapted for high speed, you know.
All right, then. We'll just have to try and stop him in practice.
Don't you worry, Grandpa Billy. It's all right. Don't hide your fear. Tell me something, anything. Is not exactly what I wanted to hear right now. We solved the problem of stopping Grandpa Billy.
Now let's think about tearing Grandpa Billy off the rails. Ooh!
And about returning Grandpa Billy's old coal-firing furnace? That's what I want more than anything.
So listen up, I built a cableway with a motor set. It helps Grandpa Billy to get coal.
You are awesome. You actually did your modernization.
Modernization.
Helpful tips for small trains. Author Professor Lorna. Guys, we must read this book for sure.
It says for small trains. We don't want to read it with you.
Imagine that you are on a very high bridge. Ethan, can you imagine or no?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm imagining now. Wow, that's cool. Just a little bit cold, but we can change it.
There are 2 tips. First, lie down, which I already did. Second, close your eyes and scream help. Help!
Help! Professor Dunlora's tips are really strange. Imagine that you're in a dark, long, and tumbled tunnel. Welcome to our dark and scary tunnel. Awesome. I always wanted to have fun in a tunnel.
If you are lost in a tunnel, lie down, close your eyes, and scream, help!
I'm not going to scream help anymore. Professor Dunlora must be kidding us. I'm going to find the way out.
Dead end and take a chance if you're brave. Let's try dead end.
No, we are brave. We are not choosing the dead end.
Maybe we should stop imagining. I'm already dizzy.
Cool. This is really fun. We're in the next chapter now.
But I don't know how to swim. Can we scream help? Help! Help!
I see someone else is reading Professor Dunlora's book.
Help! 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 They are wild. I'm afraid that they can eat us by mistake.
They can't get back. We should help them. Thank you, guys. We started reading and couldn't come back. You know who Professor Dunlora is? That's Arnold, upside down.
One, two, three. Ah. A star is lost. I can't believe it. Come on, wake up.
George, don't tell me there's an earthquake. I was having my favorite dream.
Worse than an earthquake, a star is lost.
Let's find it.
Not the best time to dream. We're in trouble. She can help us.
A star got lost in the sky. Let's find it together.
Perhaps it fell down.
I've seen it.
Then show us. Where did it fall?
If a star falls down every night, then after 1,000,000 days, there will be no stars left in the sky.
If there are no stars in the sky, it won't be interesting to dream at night anymore.
We must return it immediately.
I can't find it anywhere.
find it anywhere. Listen, if we can't find the star, then we must find the one who might have it.
Why are you so happy?
My dream came true. My grandpa general will send me to train school. I will finally become a real military locomotive one day.
Ah, that means you have the star.
How could you think that I wouldn't share a star in the fulfillment of dreams with you? Someone else has the star.
He has the star. Can you see the bandage on his head? The star probably fell on him.
Finally, my dream came true. I even forgot my toothache.
It's good that stars fall down.
It's good that Anthony's and Grandpa Billy's dreams came true.
I counted and came to the conclusion that all stars in the sky are enough for the residents of Train City.
That's what happiness is.
What if I read my love fortune about Sam Sparky? He loves me not, he doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. Ah! What does that mean, I wonder? But why? Sam Sparky, I read on a daisy that you're going to send me to depot. Why would you do that? What did I do wrong?
Leave me alone, Vera, I'm writing.
No, answer me.
You know what? Go to depot.
So I see the daisy was right. Hey guys, now I can finally and truly determine what guys think about me.
Oh, that's so interesting. You created a machine that reads the mind?
I don't need any machines for that. Look here. First, you need to name a guy. Let's say that it's George. Okay. He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. He loves me. So you love me.
Oh, this is nonsense.
It's true, daisies don't lie. You're in love with me. It's wonderful, I've got a new admirer.
No, I'm not in love. Just stop it. Anyway, this is not scientific. What can a silly flower know?
Hey, George, come on out. Forget about this daisy. Come on, really.
Let's find out about you. So, Ethan. He loves
Who does she think she is? Science denies it. Those daisies don't know the truth. It just doesn't make any sense.
You don't love me?
That's not
Why?
true.
One of you loves me, and the other one doesn't love me whatsoever. I'm really hurt.
The most surprising thing to me is that now she's offended by me.
We must show her our calculations, and she will see.
And she'll understand that she was mistaken. If she understands.
She will understand how wrong she really is.
Let's give her a pretty bow to make her feel better just in case. And maybe she'll stop being silly.
That's it. I'll never speak with the boys anymore.
Vera, I want to show you proof that you are wrong.
Yeah, right. You want to prove that I'm incorrect? What boy in the whole wide world can tell that he's in love?
This is all stupid, Vera.
You don't love me. Everything I do for you, you just think is nonsense. Huh?
You know what? If you believe in those stupid daisies, let me read it. She loves me not. She loves me not. She doesn't care, she kisses a lot. She'll hold me tight, she'll send me to depot. She loves me not. She does care, she kisses a lot. Aha, I got you!
Oh, that's right, my friend. So, either say that reading your love fortune on daisies is silly or kiss George.
Okay, I believe you. Daisies are silly. I'm not gonna kiss anyone.
Hooray! So, we're good now? This is a present as a sign of our friendship.
This is so romantic. Thank you, guys.
Wow, she kissed me anyway. Well, I think I need to get to know daisies better.
Ricky is so handsome.
Not only is he handsome, he is the best train in the world. I adore him.
And I adore him 3 times more than you.
Hey, girls. What are you arguing about? Let's go play together.
What do you want to play?
Well, we can play tag.
You creep like turtles.
But we would love to play with Ricky. He's a champion.
But I'm also fast. I can even overtake Sam Sparky.
No way! Sam Sparky is the fastest train in our city. He is almost like Ricky.
Well, we'll see who's the fastest.
Ready? Set? Sam Sparky, don't cheat.
I'm not cheating. My wheel slipped a little bit.
Ready, set, go!
Who will you cheer on?
Sam Sparky, of course. He almost looks like Ricky.
Then I will cheer on Sam Sparky as well.
Sammy! 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 Sammy!
Hey, you with the slowest train. Wake up, turtle. You're losing.
Sammy! Sammy! Hooray! Hooray!
Be careful. Sam Sparky, are you okay? Help! I want to get out of here. Help! I want to get out of here.
We must help him, or he will sink.
But how?
He doesn't know how to swim.
Guys, I have an idea.
Come on, guys. Together, we can do it.
Ethan, I'm sorry for teasing you. You lost the race, but you're the smartest train ever. Thank you. Oh, not a big deal. Forget about it.
Ethan, you are so smart.
So let's play tag.
But I'm not fast enough.
But you're really smart. And a real friend. Ha 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 ha. Catch us if you can. Ha ha ha.
Oh. Did I miss something?
Oh, wow. These burdocks are huge. Did you grow them yourself? Why do you need them?
You think that's funny? But I wanted to grow beautiful flowers, you see. Not for myself, but for my mom's birthday. I planted the seeds, but now look. All that I can see now are these huge, ugly burdocks.
Huh?
Hide yourself. Grandpa Billy's coming.
Who was that?
Grandpa Billy. He's an old and angry locomotive.
Oh, yeah. Angry isn't the word, guys. Trains say that anyone who enters his garden never comes back again.
No, that isn't the truth. You know, Grandpa Billy just doesn't need any friends, that's all. And he always says bad things.
That can't be real. Everybody needs friends. I will go to him myself and I will become his friend. Hello there, sir.
I gotcha. What are you doing in my garden, huh?
It wasn't on purpose. I was just passing by.
Passing by. Well, I know you little ones, I know you.
I came to become friends with you. 'Cause you don't have friends, do you? That's very, very bad. You might have the blues, you know.
I don't have the blues, huh? And I don't want to be your friend. Now you just go and get out of here. If you want him to become your friend, then you should let him feel that he is truly needed. Do you understand what that means?
I think that I understand.
Oh, it's you again. Didn't I tell you that I don't need a friend? I'm doing all right by myself.
Well, sir, I'm really sorry. I wouldn't have come if I didn't have something to ask from you.
Well, I'm listening to you.
I want to grow flowers as beautiful as your flowers over here.
I'm not sure that's possible. Well, it's not an easy task, you know.
Well then, help me, please. You are the best flower expert I've ever met.
Just look at this. There are only weeds here, you see? You can't grow flowers like that.
Oh.
Well, you see, you need to trench a flower bed first.
Can you show me the right way to trench it?
Well, since you came, I will show you that, of course.
Yeah!
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Thanks to Grandpa Billy. There wouldn't be any of this without him.
With such an assistant, it was easy. All right now, I have to go.
He's not mad. He's just a bit lonely. He was.
Guys, let's play tag.
It's boring. Then let's play hide and seek.
But we've played that 100 times.
Then the game of silence.
And what are the rules?
I'll tell you. Did you get it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say no words, the game is on.
Sam Sparky, are you home? We're going to watch a movie. Are you with us?
He doesn't want to? Okay. I guess we'll go without him.
Oh, Arnold, help me, please. The gates are narrow. I can't fit in. You show me the way. I don't want to hit the gates. you see what happened? Then why didn't you say something?
Vera, I told you that you should call me when it boils, and now the whole family is hungry because of you. You could say you're sorry. What does mean? Doctor, please help my son.
Now, what do we have? Flu, or are you running a temperature?
Worse, my son doesn't talk.
What? Another one? We have seen 7 others that don't talk.
There's an epidemic in Train City. Kids can't talk. We must take emergency measures.
Yes. My son hasn't talked in 2 days.
And mine.
And mine.
Everybody is silent? It means they are playing a game. Hey kids, are you playing the game of silence? We will cure all of you now. What should we say? Oh, I've got it. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now you're free.
Finally, we can speak.
I would never talk first.
I wouldn't either.
And I can keep silent for a whole week.
And I for 1 year.
We forgot that we were once kids like them.
And I used to play the game of silence, and let me tell you a secret. Once I kept silent for 4 days.
Hey, fish! Hello?
Hello there, fish.
Hey, fish! Can you hear us? Hey!
Be quiet, kids. Please don't make any noise in the oceanarium. You're scaring the fish away.
One more time now. What a great catch! Awesome!
Ethan, you ran around like...
Yeah, Ethan, like a real submarine.
Hey, you! Be quiet! You're scaring my fish away!
Why are fish scared of everything?
You know they're mysterious creatures.
This is really very interesting. Look, it's awesome. Something's missing here. I've got it. This is our new submarine. We're now going to know everything about our fish, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna wait for you on the shore.
Don't be afraid. George is a genius. He has everything worked out.
Take the radio and keep in touch.
Hey, fish! Hello? Hello?
Hello, fish.
Are you all right in there?
We're fine, Vera. Oh, what's that?
oceanarium doesn't have all this metal junk. Look at all this. What a mess.
Let's make a present for Grandpa Billy.
Oh, yeah, he'll be very happy.
One more time. Vera, would you help me? What a great catch today. Awesome.
You won't believe how much junk Grandpa Billy pulled out now.
Who are you talking to?
Me?
You.
Nobody, just myself.
Don't go out of your head for joy now. Right, I'm going home.
Are you rising to the surface?
We're drowning!
We're drowning!
Oh my goodness, help! Help, SOS! Ethan and George are drowning!
One more time.
Grandpa Billy, one more time!
Thank you. You saved our lives.
Did you find out why fish are scared of everything?
We didn't have much time. Let's go to the oceanarium.
Hey, friends. Press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.